an educational video by Patanjali Rishikul, Prayagraj. Class first, subject EVS, topic air and water. Good evening, children. Welcome to your EVS class. Today we are going to take the topic water. Water is the most important substance on the planet Earth. All living things need water for their survival. We cannot live without water. If there is no water, there is no life. So let us study some sources as well as uses of water. We will also study how to save water. All living things need water for their survival. We cannot live without water. We must drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Plants need water to make their own food. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. No life is possible without water. Human beings use water for their daily activities such as drinking, brushing our teeth, bathing, washing clothes and utensils, cooking, gardening, mopping floors, cleaning, etc. Besides using water at home, we use it for many other purposes. Water is used in growing crops. It is needed for irrigation. It is a home to many animals. We need water to put out fire. We also use water as a means of transport to move from one place to another. Now, where do we get water from? Let us learn various sources of water. We get water from rain. Rain is the main source of water. Rainwater gets collected in various lakes, ponds, rivers, streams, seas, and oceans. These are all various sources of water. At homes, we get water from taps. Some rainwater goes into the ground through the soil and is called groundwater. We dig wells or use hand pumps to pump out the groundwater. Storing water. We need to store water for later use. We can store water for drinking and cooking in bottles, buckets, drums, and clay pots. Water is precious. We should not waste water. So let us learn some ways to save water. Close the tap properly after use. We should always keep the tap closed while brushing our teeth. Use a bucket and a mug to take bath. Avoid taking a shower. Leaking taps and broken pipes must be repaired. So children, I hope you have understood the topic well. Save water, save life. Thank you.